This is our final step before we apply your adhesive of choice. Step 7 is all about keeping your scalp dry with our NoSweat scalp spray. Here's why NoSweat is a game changer. It's formulated for the scalp area and controls sweat glands without irritating your skin. That means your adhesive has time to fully dry and bond securely. Spray a little onto a paper towel, swipe it over your bonding area, and you're good to go. It dries instantly. No sliding, no slipping, just a flawless finish every time. Here's how it works. Spray a small amount onto a paper towel, holding the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away. Swipe the towel over the area where you're going to apply the adhesive. Let it dry. It only takes a few seconds. Check to make sure your scalp is completely dry before moving on. NoSweat scalp spray stops moisture in its tracks, giving you a secure, long-lasting bond every time.